Nashukuru sana kwa hiyo Lepaimai na serikali yake, nashukuru sana. Anaenda mbali, anarudia sisi nakuja hapa karibu, nateseka sana kwa ajili ya anaenda mali, natafuta tikiti 2,000, 1,000, saa ingine 3,000 kwa ajili ya anaenda mbali sana.
I'm very grateful we are here today to launch this social program for the most vulnerable and also the elderly, to make sure that we are grateful for our government for supporting our old age people, because this is a great social support. A lot of these people have lost their cows from the bad drought for the last consecutive years. And this will be a significant boost for them, for their families, those who are taking their care of their elders. I think this boost from our government will help them a great deal.